This is the new Doogee S118 Pro. Doogee just keeps releasing new products, doesn't it? With so many options available, choosing the best phone is becoming increasingly challenging. I'm considering making a video highlighting the best Doogee phones. What do you think? Leave your opinions in the comments. Now, let's explore everything the Doogee S118 Pro has to offer. Starting with the display, the Doogee S118 Pro comes equipped with a 6.6-inch FHD plus IPS display, running at 120Hz for a smoother visual experience. Its resolution is 1080 by 2408 pixels, and brightness reaches 480 nits. Not the brightest on the market, but it gets the job done. An interesting highlight is the Gorilla Glass Victus protection, a premium touch that enhances durability. Ideal for a phone designed to take a beating. Speaking of taking a beating, this device is built like a fortress. It has IP68 and IP69K certifications, plus military certification. At 17.9mm thick and weighing 376 grams, it's definitely on the chunky side. But that's the price of extra protection. For processing, Doogee opted for the same chip found in most recently launched Doogee phones, the MediaTek Dimensity 7050. It's not the most powerful chip on the market, but it's a solid mid-range processor that will handle most tasks well. The Doogee S118 Pro comes with 8GB of RAM, expandable up to 16GB, ensuring excellent multitasking performance. For storage, you get 512GB, which is already quite generous. And there's more. You can add a microSD card up to 2TB if you need even more space for your files and apps. In the camera department, we have a 108-megapixel main camera, which is quite impressive for a rugged phone. There's also a 20-megapixel night vision camera that can be super useful for those working in low-light conditions. The 8-megapixel ultrawide also functions as a macro lens. And on the front, we have a 32-megapixel Sony sensor for selfies. It's a serious camera setup for a rugged device. The real highlight here is the 10,800 mAh battery, an impressive capacity for those seeking long hours of use. According to Doogee, it offers up to 95 hours of 4G talk time. However, charging is limited to 33 watts, which means it will take a bit longer to fully charge this robust battery. On the software side, you get Android 14 out of the box. It has a side-mounted fingerprint sensor that's convenient even when wearing gloves, and facial unlock if you prefer. Connectivity is complete. It has 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and NFC with Google Pay support. The GPS setup is also comprehensive, supporting practically all available navigation systems. They've even included some nice extras like dual speakers and FM radio support. The USB-C port is present as expected in 2025. The Doogee S118 Pro is a solid choice for those seeking durability and long battery life. The 120Hz screen and 108-megapixel camera are differentiators in its category, while the rugged design and 10,800 mAh battery compensate for the extra weight. Despite the moderate performance of the Dimensity 7050 and 33-watt charging, it serves well those who need a resistant phone for demanding work or outdoor activities. The Doogee S118 Pro is available at a promotional price of $230. If you're interested, check out the purchase link in the video description. Leave in the comments what you thought of this machine. Would you use such a rugged phone? And before you go, don't forget to join our WhatsApp channel for incredible deals. The link is in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more reviews like this. Bye.